Good night, teacher, and my presentation. This is my friend. Hi, Arañon. Today I want to tell you about person who is very important to me. This is best friend Jefferson. Okay, he is 19 years old, so his country is his late teens. We have been friends for 3 years now. Years now. Okay, Jefferson was born in Echandia, Ecuador, in 2006. Right now, he is my course military at the university. We share many goals and project together and as students. Physical, he is short than me. He has short brown hair and he has beautiful beauty marks new her eyes that look a constellation.